81, shots fired.
911.
Hi there. I'm calling from tennis courts here in Chico on the East 20th Street.
Okay.
And there's a guy here with a knife. He's very high on something, and he's moving around. He actually kind of tried to chase my daughter.
You're at the tennis?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he, like, brandishing it? Like he's running around people and, like, trying to stop them with it?
Yeah. I don't know. He came up to my daughter. He put something on her back of her shirt. I don't know what it is. And there are a few other people who are there who, because they're small kids. He's just,
Okay, is your daughter okay?
Yeah, she's okay. Yeah, she's okay.
Okay, what does he look like?
You can tell he's high on something. He's a white guy with a black clothes on, black T-shirt. I think black pants. Huh? No. What is he wearing? Black, right? Everything black. Yeah.
Okay, so say it again. So is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Yeah, he's a white guy.
White guy. How old?
How old?
30.
Maybe 30.
Okay, you said black T-shirt?
Black T-shirt and a black pant. Yeah, all black clothes.
Okay, and where is he now?
He's somewhere around here. We don't want to, we don't want to go out and look for him, but yeah, he's somewhere around the court.
He's still running around the tennis courts?
I think so. But
okay.
We don't see him, honestly. But because they're small kids, so the ladies didn't have a phone, so they told me to, it's better you call them and let them know.
So
he had a knife. They saw a knife in his hand. He has a big knife in his hand, they say.
Okay. And did you see him, like, get into a vehicle, or where do you see him at, or at all?
No, I saw him between the courts. Because me and my daughter were walking. Yes.
Okay. What kind of knife was it? Could you tell what color it was or how long it was?
How long was the knife? She said? Okay. Huh? Actually, I didn't see the knife, nor she saw, but there are other people who saw the knife, and that's why they told me to call.
Okay, so your daughter didn't see the knife, but other people did?
No. Yes.
Okay, how old's your daughter?
She's bleeding also. I think she's 50.
Okay, so who saw the knife? Who told you that they saw the knife?
There's a lady here playing. She saw the knife. Actually, he is, I think, trying to go through these recycle bins and trying to cut those bottles with that knife. And I think he injured himself too. So she said he was bleeding too.
Okay. And they're on the way out to you already. Okay, I'm just letting you know. But do you see him again?
No.
Okay. So, confirm, white male in his 30s wearing all black clothing.
Yes.
Okay, what is your name? 911, what is your emergency?
Hi, I'm just driving through East 20th and Martin Luther King at the intersection right there by the trampoline, and there's like an erratic man running around in the intersection banging on all the cars.
What does he look like?
It was hard to tell. It was dark hair, jeans, and a dark T-shirt. There's a rent-a-cop kind of in the area.
Okay, their dispatch center is calling us. We're sending our officers over there as well.
Thank you. Okay,
right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
911, what is your emergency?
Hi. We just thought we saw someone get hit on the corner of, what the heck is the name of this road? Martin Luther King and 20th. And the car left. And so we pulled over a little bit to see if he was okay. And he took a knife and slashed our front tire.
Okay, where are you at?
Well, we had to pull over. Our tire's flat. Oh, I see a policeman right at the corner there.
Ma'am, I'm trying to find out where you are so I can tell the police officer.
Okay, I'm right in front of the police officer. We're pulled off to the side. Well,
okay. What kind of car
we're by Petco. If he's headed toward me.
Ma'am, what kind of car are you in?
Toyota Prius.
What color?
A dark gray.
All right, I'll let him know. What's your name? All right, I'll let them know that your car is there so they can come talk to you.
And actually, if they can go get him first, we're going to have to call 3A. We'll be here a while.
Yeah, we'll go get the suspect first.
Okay, good. Thank you.
911.
Hey, there's a gentleman at the corner of 20th Street and Martin Luther King who, out in the middle of traffic, like jumping at all the cars
Do you see a guy, like an AG, like an armed guard security officer with him?
I did not see that.
Okay. We have a call at, like, across from Meek's Lumber. Is that where you guys were at?
I guess it's near there, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're on the way out there. They're out with an AG officer, and we got 4 officers going out there. So we're on the way. Thanks. Bye.
Chico 1019 officer to code 4. Suspect has been shot. Roll him over.
Copy. All officers, code 4, suspect shot.
Get down on the ground! I'm code 4, he just tried to get in the car. He's running down the street. He's going towards Food Max. Get down on the ground! He's heading towards others. No, he's messed up the car a little bit. He's going after other people on the public road. 156, taser deployed, taser deployed! It didn't work. $156, I'm still code 4, I'm in my vehicle. He's going down the road, heading towards the junction. Informational, taser deployed, not effective. Ten 4. He's heading off towards the jump city, or jump place. Rare air, he's heading southbound on East 20th. East 20th, WMA, black shirt, blue pants, sneakers, mid-30s. Right here in the junction of East 20th and Martin Luther King. He's got his hands in the air. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. He's in this. He's right there. That's the guy right there.
Yeah, right there. That guy's gone. We got PD here. Where's security? You okay?
I'm good.
You're just hyped.
No, let's. Can I? Okay, so I'm sitting there. I'm making sure the last person leaves Community Park. No big deal.
Right.
I hear help, help, help.
Okay.
So I roll down my window to start seeing, what's going wrong.
Right.
Then I try to get on the body cam, and he virtually starts running at my vehicle. I have the window down, I see he's bleeding, and then he starts to come at me with the knife. He closes a 20-foot gap in 3 seconds, and then he's on the hood of the vehicle trying to get me, and I saw my passenger window down.
When did you deploy your taser?
I deployed my taser on here while he was going after other people. The vehicle's unlocked. My taser is exactly where it fell.
Oh, he smashed your window? Yeah, he jumped on it and was trying to go for a ride on the Yeah, he said you
I'm frazzled, man.
Yeah, dude,
I want to go home today.
You did good. You did
Yeah,
good. No,
guys, I tried. I really did. The taser didn't work,
glad that you weren't involved.
and I did not want to do that.
I understand.
But he kept trying to go after the other transients, and I almost got out of the car.
Hey, back up! Guys, back up! Get out of there! Drop the knife now! Sorry, he's got the knife in his hand. Chico, he's going in the Petco with a knife in his hand. What do you got, Nico? I got taser. Let's go. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
He's around the corner. He's running that way. Go. We need to get everybody out. Hey, come on. Watch that door. Get out. Drop it now. Drop the knife.
Get on the ground!
Taser. Drop the knife. Drop the taser.
Hit him.
Drop the knife. 81, shots fired. Code 3 cover.
Here.
I got him.
Drop the knife. I got this arm. Bring it back. Stop, dude. Here we go.
I got it.
The officer to code 4. Suspect has been shot.
Roll him over. Watch that door. Get out.
Get on the ground!
Taser. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hit him.